So I've taken a delicious detour to the state of Kerala, and I'm in the city of Kochi, and I would like to welcome you to my friend's house. Her name is Josmi, and we're going to go into her kitchen and we're going to cook some amazing Kerala style curries for you today. So I'm very excited to learn how to make it. So come with me while we learn. So welcome to the kitchen. Hi. So this is Josmi and her son Nishal. Josmi's very clever. She understands my English, but I don't understand her Malayalam. Nishal is here to help translate when there's a miscommunication, because I want to know exactly how to cook these dishes. And what's the name of the fish curry in Malayalam?
Modha.
Modha.
So in English you call it black kingfish or cobia.
Oh,
so
okay.
yeah, we are preparing the fish curry.
Okay, so black kingfish curry, or cobia as we might call it in Australia. Very popular here. We're going to see how it's done. What's the style that we're going to be cooking?
Kottayam.
Kottayam Idiki style, she is saying. Every state has its own style. So today we are doing Idiki Kottayam style, which is like higher end style. We can also do it in different styles of this same fish curry.
Okay, so I'm very excited to try this. So these are the main ingredients that we're going to start with.
Onion, ginger, garlic, chilli, curry leaves.
So lots of other spices and ingredients are going to come later, but for now we're going to start with these ingredients.
Sushikana. Okay.
Careful not to cut myself, it's sharp. Here we go. This is a handy little piece of kitchen equipment here. It's a finger guard.
Yeah.
I'm ready. So you cut the clove in half. That's a new technique. So you slice the clove in half and it pops out of the skin. Like that.
Yeah. Super.
Super. There's lots of garlic. 3 whole bulbs of garlic.
My mother.
Your mother taught you cooking. And after marriage, did you have to change cooking?
After marriage. Basically.
Basically same. That was about 2 bulbs of garlic. Look at that, expert. Woo. So now we're peeling the ginger. So you just need to get all of it, because it's beautiful homegrown ginger, this one. So we want to get all of the dirt off of it. And these knives are so sharp. Oh, as soon as you break the skin, that fresh smell of this ginger, so good. So we've prepared the first ingredients for the fish curry. Now what do we do? Now washing. In the pestle and mortar, we've got some garlic going in there, getting crushed up. So we've got chopped green chilli, we've got chopped onions, we've got chopped ginger, some crushed pounded garlic. So all those garlic oils have come out. You can smell them in the air. There's the fish. Josmi's already had it chopped by the fishmonger this morning. So she's brought these beautiful meaty little bites of fish. They look really good. She's just given it a rinse off, draining it now, getting it prepared. Even if I cooked for 1,000,000 years, I would not use a whole bag of turmeric powder like that. Coriander powder. Oh, there's the kokum. So these ones already have the seeds removed. But Josmi's just getting right in there where the seeds used to be and just giving it a good wash out. Okay, so we're heating up the pan. We've got out some coconut oil. All our ingredients, our initial ingredients are prepared. A nice good glug of coconut oil. First thing goes in is the garlic. And then the chopped ginger. Frying all of that off. Oh. I wish you could smell the air right now. Just even garlic and ginger and coconut oil.
നല്ല മണം വരുന്നു സ്മെൽ.
Because the ginger's been chopped and the garlic's just been sort of lightly bruised and crushed, it's not going to burn quickly, so you can fry it. Green chilli goes in with the seeds. Don't forget the seeds because we want it to be spicy. So Jasmine's got it on a fairly low heat. Obviously you're not trying to burn it, you're just wanting to really cook the rawness out of the ingredients. So they're just slowly gonna infuse all their flavours into that oil, soften and become delicious. Okay, curry leaves. So as each new ingredient is added, wow, the smell changes, and now those onions have gone in and they're starting to caramelise now. All of those ingredients are soaking up the oil, imparting their flavours. Man, this is going to be amazing. Measuring out the turmeric, there's the chilli powder now she's measuring out. Coriander powder. Ooh, look at all of that chilli powder. All of that will go in.
Yeah.
Wow! No wonder my curries don't taste so good. I don't use anywhere near so much of spices. That's a lot of spices, but there you go. That is how you make a tasty curry. Green chilies in there, we've got all of that red chili powder. Woo. And now the onions are all nicely fried, we're adding in heaped teaspoons. 7 heaped teaspoons of coriander powder. No wonder you use big bags of spices. You need big bags of spices if you put that much in. Well, there you go. That's a lesson for me. How much spice you need for a good curry. Yeah. So 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. It doesn't make me feel so bad when I feel choked from frying chili, when I know that the locals do the same. Okay, chili powder, 1, 2, basically 9 heaped teaspoons of chili powder. So that is Kashmiri chili. It's not spicy. It gives this beautiful colour and the flavour. And look at that. That is 1 pan full of flavour. So the heat's on low, just to roast those spices a little, get the flavour going. A little bit more coconut oil. Make it more of a masala paste. Is this your mum's recipe?
Oh, it's a own recipe.
Oh, it's your own recipe. Oh, secret Josmi recipe. Now the kokum. The water goes in. Make the gravy, all of the kokum. So now she's turned the heat up. She's adding more water. Now we're going to get the gravy going. Oh, look at that colour. We're going to bring the gravy to a boil. And once it's boiling, then the fish goes in to poach. There is also salt in the kokum water. She's just added 2.5 tablespoons of extra salt. Okay. Go.
Salt? Salt?
A little bit more salt. It's nice and spicy, just like a perfect amount of spice. And you can just get that tang from the kokum coming through. You can see the oil. The oil is separating off the top.
Yeah.
It's got a bit of spice to it.
Spicy?
No, perfect.
Perfect?
Yeah, yeah. So now it's time to put the fish in. You can see the gravy is boiling. Fish can go in. It's a nice hearty fish, this one. So it puts lots of flavour into the gravy, but it holds its shape. And the bones also go in because that adds flavour. Oh, they're nice meaty looking pieces.
Put that fish down into that.
The kokum has really come out now. It's got that really beautiful sour, salty balance happening there. And the flavour of the fish is starting to permeate through the gravy as well. Are you happy, Jocelyn? Happy? Yeah, she's happy.
This is our grandma. She's an old veteran in cooking. She's here to oversee us.
She's making sure we do it right. What do you think so far?
She's saying it looks really good so far.
Good. Ooh, we've got her approval so far. That's good. So now Josmi is making a tarka, which is not called tarka here, but in Hindi it's called tarka, and she's heating up her little tarka pan, and she's got some shallots that are going to go in, and also some mustard seeds will go in, some black mustard seeds. And this is going to completely change the flavour and the smell of the curry. Some coconut oil. So black mustard seeds, some fenugreek seeds into the hot coconut oil, and now the shallots, the finely sliced shallots will go in. And this is just, that oil is getting full of flavour. Some curry leaves, you can hear them sizzling and spitting in the oil. Oh, those shallots are getting really crispy. They look good. So the tarka went in, and the whole smell of the kitchen has changed. It's just added this whole new dimension. Wow.
Oh, okay.
Is everyone happy?
Oh, yeah. It's changed the whole flavour. I think it has his approval.
Happy husband, happy wife.
Good.
Now everything is prepared and it's time to eat. So we've got this delicious fish curry that we made earlier today. We're actually eating it cold. Why are we eating it cold? Well, it's all to do with this little thing, the kokum. And use it in your curry, the fish curry. That acts as a preservative. And we're going to eat the fish curry cold because they say that it has the best flavour when it's eaten cold.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
Spicy, good.
Good. Well, if Auntie's happy, we're all happy. It must be good. Join me in Josmi's kitchen for part 2 of this delicious detour, when we make authentic Kerala beef curry with an interesting side dish which is uniquely Kerala. The beef is delicious, it's nice and spicy.